According to Bloomberg, Apple's now roughly 100 billion more value than the 2000 stock inside Russell 2000. Apple market cap is around 2.7 trillion now. So how can one company be more valuable than 2000 stocks? The answer is simple. Apple makes popular products with generous margin. Apple is known for its innovative and high-quality devices such as the iPhone, MacBook, iPad, Apple Watch, and many more. These products have loyal customers and they are willing to pay a premium for their product. Apple now has gone beyond a brand, they're more like a religion now, right? Recently, Apple has launched a new product called New Apple Vision Pro. This is a device that combines the feature of a smartphone, a tablet, a laptop, and a VR headset. It is a foldable screen that you can transform into different shape and size. It also has a powerful processor that can run any app or game. It has a built-in camera that can capture 3D image and video. It has a wireless charging system that can last for hours. And it has a sleek design that looks like nothing else on the market. However, we'll price that for $3,500. I don't know how well it will sell. Do you still think Apple is a valuable company to invest? Let's find out today. Okay, a few months ago, remember I done a video said that Apple would probably go from $160 to $180. Bam, it hit $180 and now worth around 2.7 trillion. Okay, how did I do that? I'm going to show you with a AI seasonal chart from my good friend Mark at mayclear.com. Okay, this platform is fantastic. You can see the purple line is the pre-election 20 years line. It all pointed that May is a bullish month, and the yellow line is the current year. We can see we had a bullish month in May, so it worked out really well. But you can see from now in June period, it goes a little bit choppy, all right? And then it probably won't be a great time to invest until sort of October time, all right? Let's get into the chart and see what we can predict. Okay, so this is from TradingView, Apple technical chart. It's very important that you have the pro account. The reason being I said you need to have a pro account. As you can see, we have one pro account through there. The reason why I said you need to have it at the bottom is very important. This is called accumulation distribution line. It measures the buying volume. Without the pro account, we will have a lag, we'll have a delay on that. So if you're serious about investing and trading, spending £10, something like that a month is really valuable, okay? So have a look at the chart right now. We just made a fresh new high. This is a weekly chart because when I'm doing longer term analysis, I like to use a bigger time frame to see a clear picture. You can see prices has already broken this bullish flag, so 2 channel here. So I expect price would come back to around this area before I would then start invest again, all right? Another things that you need to pay attention to is look into the S&P 500 because Apple is the most weighted stock inside S&P 500. S&P 500, you can see it did not make a fresh new high. It is still, well, it's got a daily uptrend, but really and truly, you can see price is not very bullish. It go up a few days, go down a few days. So we are, have a very, very weak weekly uptrend. And now we reached to these 4,280. Last week I did profit around £7,000 trading it long. I'll do a full video next week to show you how I done that. But for now, we focus on the how to use this to advantage to invest or trade Apple. So S&P 500 is running into a resistance right now, and Apple's just made a fresh new high. Wouldn't surprise me that price will come back and retrace a little bit to around the 4,100 before we can have another move higher. So that's the plan from me. Also, I'm not a big fan of just buying the Apple stock. I'll show you another way. How am I going to capitalize by using spread trading to make more money by trading long on Apple? Okay, so this is my trading platform. IG is fantastic. You have so much instrument that you can trade. You can trade the indices, so all the major indices in the world, Forex, crypto, shares, and many more. Okay, so Apple's obviously is one of the instruments you can trade on that. I'll use the spread trading to do it. All right, so what I'm ultimately waiting for is for Apple to retrace whether back to the 170 or, as we discussed, around October time, maybe around the 160 area. A good price action similar to this area here, like a low test bar. Okay, so how do you do it? Let me just show you very quickly. Very simple. You right click on the platform, say I want to buy around the 164 area, a stop loss around this 388, and then go back to say, okay, around the previous all-time high or slightly lower $180 area through here, and I usually risk around 2,000, 3,000, so 3,000 pounds on the trade. So if you bet 3,000 pounds on the trade and price reach back to the target area, you could enjoy a 400% plus return. All right, so you make 12,000 pounds from this. So this way of trading, you'll get a much better return by just investing, because if you're buying it as a normal investing method, $164 and go back to $180, you barely make 10%. Okay, so this is the way that I'm looking at Apple and potentially trading it long. Do you have any other way, or do you agree with me? Leave a comment below, and thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next week.